Let's walk through the process of creating and using a document template, starting from the main admin section. Begin by clicking on Document Settings and then move over to Document Templates. This is the spot where you can craft new templates for generating documents. We're going to dive in and create one together, so go ahead and click the New Template button. A window will pop up asking you to name your template. Once you've given it a name, you'll need to pick the case type it's tied to. Choosing the case type is key because it unlocks all the case details, allowing the fields we add to automatically pull in real values when the document is generated. After you've selected the case type, hit Save. Now that we're in our new template, I'm going to paste in the main text we want to work with. Take a look at the words wrapped in brackets. These are the spots where we'll pull in values from the case details when the document is created. To insert a generated field, you'll use the command F:. Type that in, and a list of fields from the case details will appear for you to choose from. Let's start at the top and swap out each bracketed word with the right case field. First up is date. Delete that, type F:, and select current date. Here's a quick note. Some dynamic fields like current date aren't part of the case details. They'll simply show the date the document is generated. Next, we've got plaintiff contact. Delete the text, enter F:, again, and pick plaintiff from the list. Since plaintiff is a contact field in the case details, you'll get a second menu to choose specific contact details to include. Moving on to date of deposition, you'll notice it's not in the case details. For this, we'll add a placeholder so it can be filled in later when the document is generated. Just type F:, followed by the placeholder text you want, and press Enter. This placeholder will show up in red, signaling that it's something we'll need to update manually down the line. Let's do the same thing for the time field. Finally, replace your name and email with the dynamic values my name and my email. These will automatically fill in with the name and email of whoever generates the document. When you're done, click the Save button. Now let's see this template in action. Head over to Cases and open up our sample case. Click on Files, then select New File from Template. Choose the template you just created and hit Create. Take a look at the generated document. You'll see all the dynamic fields have been replaced with their actual values, while those red placeholder fields are still there, waiting for manual updates. This mix of dynamic and manual fields gives you the flexibility and control you need for seamless document generation.